This is a Dexscreener.com tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use Dexscreener, navigate the important buttons, and give you the most important info you need for making buy-sell decisions. Dexscreener automatically tracks new meme coin launches across most blockchains. On the main page, click the logo to see the trending tokens. You might see an ad but hit filters on the right to see the platforms. Not all blockchains are included, but it covers most. Many smaller platforms lack volume, and volume is what moves markets. Stick to the big ones like Ethereum, Solana, Binance, and Avalanche. Let's focus on Solana since it's one of the best for buying and selling with high volume. For example, click Solana, hit save, and now you'll only see Solana-based meme coins. The first 4 letters show the ticker, like a stock symbol, and the name is on the right. On the left, you have options like watch lists, alerts, multi-charts, new pairs, and more. I mostly use new pairs. Sometimes I have a watch list, but I prefer opening new tabs for collections I'm tracking. For charts, I click on multi-charts and add whichever I want. But if you're looking for live trading, one collection at a time works best, especially for quick flips. I don't use multi-charts much because keeping track of several coins at once is too risky. The gainers and losers section is similar to trending, but with its own filters. I don't use it much, as I prefer opening tabs directly for the coins I'm looking at. To find coins, click New Pairs. I sort by age, and you'll see the newest launches. To filter further, sort by age to get coins launched within the last hour. If you're looking for more established coins, filter by liquidity. I like above 50, and then Solana. That gives you more serious coins to look at. When evaluating, check liquidity. If it's not locked or doesn't have social links, I pass. If liquidity is locked and social is active, it's worth considering. For example, Wall Street Bet Solana launched about 7 hours ago with decent liquidity and social links. You can adjust the chart by adding indicators, like volume, or change the time frame. I prefer volume as it's essential in meme coin trading. In the top right, you'll see the ticker and the name. Click the 3 dots to hide the sidebar for a cleaner chart. I mostly ignore price in Sol because it's not what matters. Market cap and volume in USD are more useful. If liquidity is under 1,000 or doesn't have a lock, I move on. I also track real-time trades. If I see large buys or sells, that tells me where the market might go. For trades, hit Trade on Radium to go directly to the exchange and place your order. Solana collections are mostly traded on Radium, but some may be on Jupiter too. Watch out for bots running fake volume to manipulate the chart. Be cautious about this. On the chart, you can set alerts or add the collection to your watch list. You can also view real-time wallet transactions, which helps spot trends or possible pump and dump schemes. If you see large buys, the price could pump soon. I focus on significant trades, over $100, to avoid wasting time on small buys. To sum up, I focus on short-term flips. If you want long-term holds, you might prefer larger coins with more established market caps. But for me, meme coins are about getting in early, flipping quickly, and moving on.